In a world where a healthy lifestyle matters, Maxwell Pharma stand by your side. Yes, Maxwell making medicines in India and serving the world. Maxwell Pharma manufacturing tablets, capsules, oral liquids and injectables. Since 2010, Maxwell Pharma spread over 45,000 square feet built-up area in an industrial estate. Sector 5, Parwanu, at Solan, the gateway of Himachal Pradesh in India. It's on the lap of Himalayas, where the unpolluted nature speaks with humans. All sections in Maxwell Pharma have epoxy floors, roof panels, loop line water system with eddy, the humidified air handling units with inbuilt HVAC system. Maxwell Pharma is equipped with the latest machines like bump processor with autoclave, hot ALF sterilization tunnel, automatic ampoule washing, pneumatic tray loading, auto tablet coater, RMG, pure steam generation, online TOC, FBD, double layer rotary, egg, head oral liquid filling, blister, strip, aloo packing, and auto capsule filling machines. Maxwell Pharma is an ISO, MSME, WHO GMP compliance factory. Recently it was fully renovated to meet all the requirements of the government's revised Schedule M norms. Each product at Maxwell Pharma is carefully crafted with precision in its 4,000 square feet area's in-house laboratory with a separate QC, micro and sterility sections with gas chromatography, HPLC, IR, UV, horizontal double-door autoclave, walkable humidity chamber, biosafety laminar flow, BOD, or latest digital incubators to grow and maintain microbial cultures. At Maxwell, people's well-being is our first priority. We deliver affordable cost medicines with top quality. By strictly following World Health Organization's guidelines, Maxwell has got more than 1,000 products, FDA approvals, also having the track record of exporting injectables and oral solid dosages to various countries across the world. You are most welcome to visit our factory, which is just 32 km from Chandigarh Airport. Maxwell Pharma driven by the grace of God, and it is empowered with the willpower of its highly qualified and well-experienced staff. Promoters and its founder Dr. Thiru M. Daniel, who served for Cadila Pharma and SERL India Limited at Chennai and Bangalore. Maxwell is an integral part of Dr. Ethixis Products and Services Limited, a conglomerate company growing at the pace of 7.5% in its top-line revenue per annum. Chlorophyll is its own in-house foil and carton boxes printing press. MedZone is a chain of pharmacy with online medicine sales facility, and Wellnezzone is Chennai-based healthcare service providing organization. Zarinta Life Sciences is a nutraceuticals products manufacturing factory. Last but not the least, Ethics Healthcare, its flagship marketing and manufacturing factory, ensuring healthy society with its own 675 brands since 2003. Maxwell Pharma, maximize your wellness through its premium export quality pharma products. Now with our visionary founder, the second generation leadership adding more values to the organization to take it to a great height in global market by establishing exclusively export-oriented AU GMP, P and US FDA factories. Expansion of ethical marketing in Pan-India. Scaling up online sales from MedZone ORG. Expanding our existing chain of wellness centers in all major cities for providing assisted living for elderly patients. Dreams are the most powerful energy, and we fuel it with our sincere hard work and faith in God. With God, all things are possible.